Welcome back to Rickey Does It, where today I'll be opening Garbage Pail Kids cards. So this is the new 2018 set from Topps, Oh the Horror-ible, which revolves around horror movies. I'm going to start with the Tombstone. So it comes with 5 regular packs and bathroom buddies, whatever that is. And you can see these only have 8 stickers, whereas the value packs have 22 stickers. And you can see they're much thinner than these. So let's get started. This is so cool. Now the first thing I notice is the backs just have category descriptions on the back. So no awards or wanted posters or puzzles that I know of. First we have Handed Over Hannibal, Hannibal Lecter. Then we have Candy Dan, Candyman. Oh, based off Creepshow, Creep Joe. Oh cool, Gemini, the Shining Twins. H. Pete Lovecraft, he's a hipster. That's awesome. Fry Boy. Not really sure I get the name, but this looks like it's Dawn of the Dead inspired. Exorcist, Leaky Linda. Bathroom Boris. And I noticed I don't see a number on the cards. Okay, 8B of 15. Right, because they're sorted by type. So he's classic, this is 80s, this is modern. Well, it's from the 90s, not too modern. This is modern, so I guess anything after the 80s is modern, even though it can be 28 years old. Retro, retro, retro. I would think that would be classic. What are you gonna do? This has to be retro. 80s? Huh. I feel like this didn't come out that much later than these two. Maybe it did come out in the 80s. I don't know. Alright, so that's the first pack. Oh yeah, let's look at the Tombstone. This is Nasty Nick from Series 1. Cost $9.99. These each cost, I think, $4.99, so it comes out to about the same if you buy 2. Same thing on this side. Okay, look for exclusive yellow sticker cards and loaded puzzle sketch cards. Okay. And this is everything it comes with. 5 packs plus 1 bonus pack of bathroom buddies, 8 sticker cards per pack, and that checks out. So for each pack of these, you get 8 cards. So that's 43 stickers in total, but the last 3 are these 3, so, you know, who cares? So let's get these in a more chronological order. Alright, pack number 2. This is so fun. Oh nice, Little Shop of Horrors, Horrific Vic. And he's 80s. Wicked Wanda, the Wicked Witch. Gotta be classic, yeah. Yes, Leatherface, my favorite horror movie. Retro. Chloe Encounters, retro. Ooh, retro sci-fi. This is from V, Rita Reptilian, 80s. Oh, 80s sci-fi. Lon Don, the Wolfman, like Lon Chaney, 80s. Oh, so this is American Werewolf in London, even though it references Lon Chaney Jr. Oh yes, Beetlejuice. That looks amazing. Mucky Michael. Oh, Michael Keaton, 80s. This is Vaporized Vincent. I think this is Vincent Price, maybe the Wax Museum. That's why he's melting. And he's classics. Okay, pack number 3. Another Lon Chaney reference. Lon Lu, Phantom of the Opera. Squash Scott. I don't know who Scott is. Folklore, nice. Put that here. SWAT Ted, retro sci-fi. Oh, Chet Cemetery. Okay, this is one with the yellow border. Not sure what that means. 80s horror. Yeah, okay, see, this has the yellow border, this has the green border, this has green. Not sure what that means. Maybe I'll look it up. I'm sure it's just chase variations. Okay, Sacrifice Stevie, retro. That's Wicker Man. Soul Lent Green, that's retro sci-fi. Iced Bryce, so this is probably folklore. Yep. Look, we got the B card for this. 9 Lives Lewis. But look, one has a yellow border and the other doesn't. He's 8A and he's 8B. Not sure if that has something to do with it, but this one's got a yellow background. Interesting. Pack number 4. So far, no real repeats. Oh, Jersey Devil. I see what you did there. Yeah, folklore. Oh, nice. Medusa. Stone Frida. I feel like that looks like Bridget Pitt. Yeah, this is referencing an old Garbage Pail Kid card. Bridget Pitt or something like that. Maybe Armpit Bridget? Oh cool, Puppet Master. Gotta be 80s. Oh, modern. Trem Murray, so I guess that's Tremors. Has to be modern, right? Yep, modern. Jawan Jimmy. This time he's getting the shark. Retro. Twilight Tone, retro sci-fi. Inve Sean, cool, retro sci-fi. Gianna Squid, folklore. Now just one more pack. Now this is Dean of the Dead, so definitely Dawn of the Dead. Now this is the B sticker, this is the A sticker. Rotating Reagan. Now this is cool. This is named after Linda Blair, and this is named after the character Regan. This is B and this is A. Feral O, classic. And then this is B and this is the A. Soylent Jean. Okay, so the first... oh. No, they're different. Soylent Jean and Soul Lent Green. This is the B and this is the A. Crustacean, and this is like a crab monster. Retro sci-fi. Cornelius Cobb, Children of the Corn, 80s. Cool. This is Planchette, I guess from the movie Ouija. Modern horror. And this is the first Sideways one. Animation. Oh, it's Aeon Flux. Modern sci-fi. That's a new one. And now there's this. Bathroom Buddies. This sticker features a previously unpublished painting from the Lost Second series of Bathroom Buddies, the 90s Garbage Pail Kids spin-off. So there's Bloody Boris, and it's the same thing on the back. Batter Upton. Oh, I guess they're all in the toilet. Glad Vlad. Okay, so this is the A and this is the B. And yeah, those are literal garbage. So let's get these put away, and I'm just going to fly through this, so enjoy a little Tevo by Vexento as we go. Okay, and this is actually an homage to Armpit Brit, so here's a little side by side. And since there's nothing special on the back, I just have the A cards facing forward and the B cards facing back. So I just realized this card right here features Grim Jim, so if there's any other Easter eggs you notice, let me know in the comments. So yeah, this is my collection so far after just one Tombstone pack. Pretty sweet. I'm really looking forward to seeing these slots fill up as I open more packs. And I guess I should note that I didn't get any doubles with these Tombstone packs, so that's cool. So be sure and check out my next video where I'll be opening 2 more packs. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you click over here, you can watch the videos I just referenced. Down here, and you can watch my latest video and something YouTube thinks you'll like. And why not subscribe for all future videos? See you soon!